time. Jacob, go over this. You want ice cream? Oh, look at the boat over there, Jacob. No. Alright, let's get ice cream. Pushing the bar as usual. Making this video. This is Sunday afternoon, is it? Afternoon yet? Yeah, it's 10 to 1. Sunday afternoon. Weymouth Beach. At least it isn't raining. September the 8th, is it? The 9th? Yeah, I'll make a little video here. Might be a big video. I'll go around the town centre, check that out as well. I've got to get this boy some ice cream before he screams. These little coffee shops there, ice cream. Temperature is 20 degrees. It's alright. Short t-shirts. Yeah, mate. What? Alright. Let's take a walk up the top here. The town centre's like in here. I'll just walk up to the top of here and then I'll head into the town centre, see what it's like there. Yeah, this place gets very busy at the summertime. It's nice and hot here, summertime. This place is absolutely packed. As you can see here, it's not busy, but it's all right. It's for a Sunday afternoon. As long as it don't rain. Nice trees there, isn't it? Like? That looks like it's getting taken down. The season is finished now, guys. It's over. They're packing up and leaving. There's the old famous Helter Skelter. I think that's been there for many, many years, isn't it? Weymouth Helter Skelter. Jacob wants a strawberry donut now. Not ice cream. Yeah. Did you want strawberry donut? Wow. Maybe you've got more up here, Jacob. For the smaller kids like you. There you go, guys. There's the Helter Skelter. You've got lots of these little pop-up things here. Ice cream, coffee, little restaurants. That's me almost walked one end to the other end of the beach. I just broke a little bit of a sweat. Hello, doggy. Yeah, there's got a little kids fun fair over here. Where am I going to go? Where am I going to go? This way or that way?
This way.
You want to go this way, left? You want to go on the beach now? Yeah. Oh, there's a sandcastle there, Jacob, look. Look at that. Yeah. I don't think you can see that too good, guys. little wishing pond thing, isn't it?
Daddy, I want the beach.
You want to go beach? You hold my hand. Okay. Hey, look at this, guys. Look at this black cloud coming. Holy macaroni. Right, I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to get into the town centre. Go into the town centre and find a restaurant, pub, whatever. Get some lunch. That is definitely going to pay down. Right, back in a minute, guys. As I say, guys, walking down. I'm getting in some shelter before that comes. Okay. You want everything, didn't you, mate? Make your mind up. Ice cream, bloody donuts. Right, let's cross over this road. Look out for the cars. Back in a minute. I'm just in the little back streets here, trying to find the town centre. This is a town centre, isn't it? I seen earlier when I was in my car, there's little narrow streets. Reminds me of Brighton. Lots and lots of little shops and bars and pubs. I'm trying to find that, where that is. I'm going to head there. So this is I think this is the main high street. So yeah.
Daddy!
And there, yeah, mate.
Daddy, Daddy!
Right, we'll go straight on.
Yeah!
What's that? Oh, Jacob saw something. Okay, let's get your donut. Greg's. Greg's for the donut. You want a donut, Jacob? We'll go in here. Look at the queue. Jesus Christ. Right, back in a minute, guys. Got the Weymouth sweet shop. Look, Jacob. Get a donut in here, mate, look. Bakehouse. Everywhere I go, there's flipping queues. I hate queues, man. Go away. Bought this bubble thing, right? It is pathetic. Pathetic, mate. We'll go and get another one. That one's rubbish. Behave yourself. See the kids doing my head in now. But guys, I'm trying to find these little lanes, these little tight little lanes. It's got shitloads, sorry for my French, it's got lots of little flags and these shops and all that. I think this is it actually, yeah, that's at St Alban Street. Yeah, that's it, look. St Alban Street. Yeah, got a place here. Giant Scotch eggs. Fantastic sausage factory. Looks quite cheap, look at that, eh? We walk up here now. Oh, there must be more bits of this. The other bit I saw looked bigger than this. Got the old bidders here, look. And I got a wee Chucky, look. Chucky. Give it a try. My son, he's annoying because the bubbles are not working. Want ice cream here? Look, ice cream. Look at that one. Let's get some ice cream, Jacob. Hang on a wee second. There we go. There's a wee pub. Oh. Cutter Hotel. The old car coming. Right, I think I've got to go back down this way then. That was the lanes, there's not much of it, that was it. Probably about 200 yards of lanes. And a little annoying boy moaning about bubbles all the time. Calm yourself down. As I say, the beach is up there, the beachfront is just there. Alright, I'll check out a little bit more of the town centre. Yeah, mate, I know. I'm not the bubble man. Thank you, mate. I'm not the bubble man. Bubbles don't come out my ass, mate. Cry all you want. Ruin my video as usual.
The ice.
I've got the old gear with me, the old dear, my mum. I've let her go on her own route. She's wandering about herself on her little mobility scooter. So, do I go straight down here? Your typical stuff, seaside town resort.
Obviously it's sunny now.
Well, take a walk right up this way. I got fish and chips out of here the first day I come here on Friday, 2 days ago. Nice. 2 fish and chips and 2 little portions of little curry sauce in a tub. 26 quid. £26, guys. 2 fish and chips and 2 curry pots. But it was nice. Oh, I know, mate. We all want the bubbles. Oh, pigeon. Go down the range, innit? Oh, look, the giraffe. You know what I need to do? I've left, silly daddy, I've left Jacob's nappies and bag and everything milk. I left it in the caravan I'm renting out. I need to go in here and try and buy a little milk bottle. And then again, I can't because you've got to bloody dissolve it, haven't you? Oh. Yeah, mate, I know. It's just a little square here. The White Hart Tavern over there. I think I'm going to have to jump in the car, go back and get Jacob's stuff. Right, this is just a little pre-second sort of thing. Right, back up this way. Sorry guys, in this video all you're going to hear is bloody bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. This little brat, spoilt little brat, crying constantly. See, guys, I'm heading back to my car. I've got an annoying, it's doing my head in. My kid's doing mine, nothing, crying, moaning. So, I'm just going to show you this little fish and chip shop. I got my fish and chips the other day, but it was nice. It's just up here. You've got a pub there and all, the Edinburgh. House of Sands, free house at Edinburgh. That's like I'm like, you're such a little moaning brat. I want ice cream, I want this, I want that, I want everything. Yeah guys, I know, that's kids. Where's that fish and chip shop there? It's closed. And that was it, yeah. I did take a wee walk more down here. I've got to walk a way back this way anyway. That's where I'm parked.
I want you.
You want everything, don't you? Oh, look at that. We got Wetherspoons. The William Henry. Okay, I think that wee video is going to be maybe a half an hour video I've made here, maybe more. I walked along the beachfront, all the way from over there, all the way up into the town centre, and then back along this way. Oh. Just like you know, the boy he's had an ice cream. He probably had about three little licks of it. Don't want it anymore. He said bubbles. He's used them all. Wants more bubbles and more bubbles. And he's had a little strawberry donut and had 2 bites of that. The boy wants his milk. His stupid daddy forgot it. These are the little front shops at the beach. What do you want? You want more, didn't you? What do you want now? More. You want more? What do you want? You want the Amsterdam market? You want a wee bit of... A little amusements park here as well. Oh, I need to stop. A wee bit sweaty Betty now. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Take care. God bless. Bye bye bye.